If you are using your Zoom app but you are experiencing this error, session expired, your session has ended and you need to sign in again, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in most cases you are experiencing this error because you are using an outdated version of Zoom app. To fix this, you need to access your Zoom app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for Zoom, and here open and update your app to the latest version. Once you have updated your app to the latest version, now if you open it, you shouldn't get the session expired error. However, if this didn't fix your problem, then you may want to troubleshoot your app by following a number of steps. To do that, go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and from the list search for your Zoom app like that. Now if you tap on Zoom app, you should see we have an app here. First you want to force stop the app, and then go to clear data and clear cache and okay. Again clear all data and okay. Then restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Zoom app and open it, now everything should be okay and you shouldn't encounter or get this error. So that's how you can fix session expired error on Zoom app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.